Hi TC kids! How are you doing? Wow! I'm so happy to see you again! Oh, if you're new to my channel, my name is Teacher Celine. Can everybody say, hi Teacher Celine! And welcome to my online learning channel. Let's begin our day singing the alphabet sounds. You know what, kids? Singing helps us remember concepts that we learn in school. So when we sing, I want to hear your voices loud and clear. Don't be shy with Teacher Celine, okay? Because I am here to sing and learn with you. Are we ready? Great! Let's start. TC kids, get ready to sing. Go! 1, 2, 3, 4. When we learn these sounds, you'll see. Ready to read, then we will be. Ball, cat, and doll. Umbrella, boo face. I nearly threw, see my happy face. Wagon, fox. Yarn, say, do you see a fox? Seen him in the zoo. It was fun and now we're through. If we sing this well and deep, then it's time for us to read! Yay! Today's lesson is about a new letter. What? A new letter, teacher? Wow! I'm so excited to meet our new friend. From our last episode, we met X-Ray X. Who could be our new friend? Aha! The answer is ta-da! Secret! If you want to meet our new friend, let's review our past letters. So we're done with letters A, B, B, C, K, follow Teacher Celine, D, E, F, G, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, X, Oh no! Mystery letter!
Oh no!
What could be our mystery letter? What is the letter today? What is the letter today? Faster! What is the letter today? The letter is Drum roll, please. Dun, da, da, da. The letter Y. Our lesson for today is the letter Y. Remember, kids? Recognizing, learning the sounds, and learning how to write the letters are the road to literacy. Are you all ready for story time? If you have any instruments, please get them now. Get ready. 1, 2, 3, go. Now it's time for story time, story time, story time. Now it's time for story time with Teacher Celine. The title of the story is Yodeling Yak by Jill Kudrin. Let's start. Once upon a time, there lived a young yellow yak named Yodeling Yak. Yodeling Yak was very good to everyone and always said yes, yes when she was asked for help. Yodeling Yak lived in a yak yard with many other young yaks. The yaks liked to eat yams and yogurt. They would yell and yelp while they ate. Yodeling Yak was an expert at yodeling. She would yodel in the yak yard like this. Yodelay-oo. The other yaks would answer. Yodelay-oo. One day, while Yodeling Yak was yodeling around in the yak yard, she found a yellow yo-yo. She went over to it and yanked at it. She found that the string went in and out as she pulled on it. She yelled to the other yaks to come and watch her yanking the yo-yo by its string. Yodeling Yak practiced yanking the yo-yo every day and became very good at making it go up and down. The other yaks watched and yelled, yeah, 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 yeah. Each time the yo-yo went up and down. Can we do that one more time? 1, 2, 3, go. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yay for yo-yos! Yelled the yaks. One day, some of the yaks found a poster telling about a yo-yo contest. They brought Yodeling Yak to see it and she decided to enter the yo-yo contest. People of all ages came to try and win the contest with their colorful yo-yos. But there was only one yak. Yodeling Yak. All the people were so good at handling their yo-yos. When it was Yodeling Yak's turn, her yak friends yelled, yeah, 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 yeah. After all the contestants had their turn, the judges announced the winner. Yodeling Yak! Everyone cheered. Yay for Yodeling Yak! The prize was a yak trip to Yugoslavia. Yodeling Yak brought her yo-yo along and taught others how to use it. The end. Woohoo! Did you guys enjoy our story for today? Now, before we write, it is important for us to be familiar with the lines needed to form a letter. This is called an alphabet. If you don't have this manipulative, you can use clay. Let's start with the uppercase Y or the mommy Y. How many lines do you see? Can we count? 1, 2, and 3. So how do we write the mommy Y? First line is, start from the top, slanting line going down, go back to the top, and another slanting line going down, and then Standing line. Going down. Mommy, Y. Next, let's do the baby Y. How many lines do you see? Can we count? 1 and 2. So how do we write baby Y? First line is start from the top, slanting line going down, back to the top, and another slanting line going down. Baby Y, mommy Y, and baby Y. Yay! We are now ready to write our new letter. TC kids, kindly get ready with your paper and pen. What letter is this again? Very good. It's the letter Y. And the sound of letter Y is Y. Y. Can we do that one more time? Let's answer together. What is the sound of Y? Y. Y. Very good. Next, how do we write the letter Y? Let's start with mommy Y. First line is, we'll start from the top and do a slanting line going down. Then go back to the top and do another slanting line going down. Let's do baby Y. It's the same but smaller. Start from the top, then do a slanting line going down, and then go back to the top and do another slanting line going down. Let's do that one more time. TC kids, make sure we're writing together, okay? Please prepare your paper and pen. Let's write mommy Y. First line is start from the top and then do a slanting line going down, go back to the top and do another slanting line going down. Next, let's do baby Y. How do we write again the baby Y? It's the same but smaller. Start from the top, slanting line going down, go back to the top and do another slanting line going down. Y. Y. Very good. Let's do a quick recap. Are we done recognizing the letter Y? We're done with that. Very good. Ching ching. Are we done knowing the sound of letter Y? We're also done with that. What is the sound of letter Y again? What? I can't hear you. Very good. Y. Y. Ching ching. How about words that begin with the letter Y? Not yet. Let's look at things around us that begin with the letter Y. Repeat after teacher. If I say yo-yo, then it's your turn. Yo-yo. Let's start. Yo-yo. Yo-yo. Yarn. Yarn. Copy teacher. Yogurt. Yogurt. Yellow. Yellow. Yak. Yak. Yard. Yard. And yacht. Yat. Yay! We are now ready to answer our activity sheet. Kindly check the description box to download the file. Let's answer together. Step 1 is write your name. I will write teacher Celine. Next, step number 2. Let's read the directions. Skill. Beginning sound letter Y. Directions. Write Y if the picture begins with the letter Y. If it doesn't begin with the letter Y, leave it blank. Let's start writing Mommy Y. First, we'll start from the top and do a slanting line going down, and then go back to the top and do another slanting line going down, and then standing line going down. Let's do that one more time. Start from the top, slanting line going down, then go back to the top and do another slanting line going down, then standing line going down. Next, let's do baby Y. How do we write baby Y? Start from the top, slanting line going down, and then go back to the top and do another slanting line going down. Let's start answering. Number 1. Yo-yo. Yo-yo. Is it letter Y? Ching! Of course it's letter Y. Right? Mommy Y and baby Y. Next, number 2. Oh, so cute. Panda. Panda. Is it letter Y? Wank. So leave it blank. Next, number 3. Ooh, what color is this? Yellow. Yellow. Is it letter Y? Yes, it begins with the letter Y. Next, number 4. Yak. Yak. Is it letter Y? Yay, it is letter Y. Next, what's this? Yarn. Yarn. Is it letter Y? That is correct. Very good. Last one. Yard. Yard. Is it letter Y? Wow, my TC kids are word smart. Great job. If you did it correctly, give yourself a star. Wow, I'm so proud of my TC kids. That's the end of our fun lesson for today. I hope you enjoyed learning with Teacher Celine. But before we end our session, let's sing our goodbye song. Everybody, arms up. Get ready. Ba-dum, ba-dum, pam, pam. It's time for us to go. We had a happy day. We'll see you all again. We'll see you then, my friend. It's time for us to go. We had a happy day. We'll see you again, my friends. Pum, pum. Can everybody say goodbye and thank you, Teacher Celine? If you enjoyed this lesson, please don't forget to like and to subscribe to my channel. See you next time, kids. Goodbye.